Hello, it's me, Rona, and welcome to D&V Interiors. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm hanging out in Annapolis, Maryland. There was a couple of places that I went to, but I wanted to focus on lighting in general. Lighting, because that's very important in any home that you are designing or decorating. And so I hope you like the contents of the video. Please share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side. One of the things that you'll find in a specialty store such as this is pieces like this beautiful backlit floor length mirror that would make an excellent addition to a master suite or a foyer in some of the bigger homes that you'll find in the DMV. I wanted to take a look at some of the backlit options that are available here, as well as some of the more traditional, contemporary, and modern pieces that you will not find in your typical big box hardware store. There are all types of chandeliers, sconces, floor lamps, and all types of different whimsical designs that are unique that, again, you will only find in a specialty store such as this. And if you're fortunate enough and you're building your home from scratch, hopefully you'll have some input as to the lighting plan for your space. You'll be able to make decisions on task lighting, ambience lighting, as well as accent lighting. And you may find those in different types of lighting, like your chandeliers, your sconces, your floor lamps, as well as some of the unique things that you might want in your particular space. One of the things that I highlighted here in this tour was that beautiful makeup mirror that you can have installed in your master suite. As one of the elements of design, there are also other features that you want to have incorporated into your home. And this particular store has some of those decor items that I also talk about as one of those 7 elements of design. And to get more information on the 7 elements of design, feel free to check the links below this video. Here are some additional items that I think would be a perfect complement to a lot of the lighting selections that you'll see throughout the store. So you could also pull together an ensemble that you could have in a foyer or in another area where you want to highlight maybe a particular work of art or something else that you want to highlight in your home design. I hope you enjoyed today's quick tour, and if there's a place that you would love for me to visit, be sure to leave that information in the comments below. Thank you again, and I look forward to seeing you on the next design tour.